Hello, thank you for watching this video. In this video, I'm going to explain grammar topic from Genki textbook, and this is from lesson 4 and the 6th grammar topic. And in this section, it talks about duration of an activity. So 1時間 or you can use Arabic number 1時間. This is time duration. So 私は昨日日本語を1時間勉強しました。私は昨日日本語を1時間勉強しました。So it means I studied Japanese for 1 hour. 1時間 is 1 hour yesterday. And for like time duration, like 1時間, duration of an activity expressed with a bare noun, so not followed by any particle. So 1時間, you don't need a particle after here. No, so you don't say 1時間を勉強しました or 1時間に勉強しました but just use standalone. Just say 1時間勉強しました。Okay, another example. 私は昨日日本語を1時間半勉強しました。So 1時間半 半 here means half. So it means 1 hour and a half. So this is still time duration. So you don't need any particle after here. 1時間半勉強しました。So I studied Japanese 1 hour and a half yesterday. Okay. 昨日7時間ぐらい寝ました。昨日7時間ぐらい寝ました。So if you want to say approximate time, you can put ぐらい after the time duration. ぐらい means like about or approximately. So 昨日7時間ぐらい寝ました means I slept about 7 hours yesterday. But still, you don't need particle after ぐらい and just say 7時間ぐらい。毎日2時間ぐらいテレビを見ます。毎日2時間ぐらいテレビを見ます。Okay, so can you guess the meaning of this? So I watch TV about 2 hours every day. Okay, 2時間ぐらい is the time duration. And you don't need particle here or here, but just say 2時間ぐらい. Okay, that's it. I hope it's clear. And if you have Genki textbook, please read the section here because it has more detailed explanation. And if you still have any question, please ask me when you have a lesson with me. Okay, thank you for watching and see you soon.